up, guys? Here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video, we're gonna learn how to disable Gutenberg coding editor for non-admin users of your WordPress website for free. So imagine the following scenario: you have an editor and moderator, shop manager, and those persons, you will not let these persons change codes or edit codes into your site. How to disable this option? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, okay? After this, review the left sidebar of menus, into search plugins, into the empty field, click and type WP Code Lite into the upper right corner. Then, click on Install Now into WP Code, insert headers and footers, custom code snippets, WordPress Code Manager. Then click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Review the left sidebar of menus once again. Next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Code Snippets. Hover mouse over it and click on plus, add snippet, submenu. Then review the middle sidebar right here. Move to admin, scroll it down just a little bit, and here is the guide we are looking for: disable Gutenberg code editing for non-admin users. Here is the preview of the code, okay? It's a quite simple code, but this plugin is useful because you can concentrate all the custom codes into a single tool. And before you can click on use snippet, you may need to create your account on WP Code website. It's simple, just click on the button, enter your email, set a password, and you are good to go. You're gonna be redirected back to your site and you're gonna be able to click on use snippet. After clicking on use snippet, the snippet gonna be the custom code gonna be automatically set on your site. And all we have to do is review the upper right corner of our screen into inactive. We're gonna change the switcher right here to active. Then hit the update button and only admin is gonna be able to use Gutenberg code editing view, okay? Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.